Hello, welcome back to another episode of DIY Workshop. Today's going to be a quick one. I don't have much to do. All the stuff that I'm doing currently, it's like, waiting for things to dry. So we're going to do something a little bit interesting. And I got myself a little strut bar. This is made of aluminum and it's literally just take the old one out, put the new one in. But I'm going to customize this a little bit. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I got myself a strut bar. This is literally just a plug and play kind of thing. Take the old one out, put the new one in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it a little bit. This is made out of aluminum, so I'm just going to scuff this up and I'm going to paint it same color as the car, but with a little caveat. And for that, you guys need to stay tuned and watch me do the work. it. It's not perfect. I had to give it a little couple of touch-ups with a little mini brush. This area here is not perfect, but either way, I'm not too fussed. With clear coat, it's gonna look nice. So yeah, now I just need to wait for this to dry.
A few moments later.
And there you have it, properly installed. From a distance, it look that bad. There are some imperfections, but you know, I can live with those. So to secure these is literally just, you have the metal bracket that goes around here. You just take it off and you just put this one in place. I didn't even film it because it's not worth it. But yeah, this is what you get. A custom strut brace. Okay, so now that the strut bar is in, I'm gonna do something silly. A silly cosmetic, which is a silly cosmetic enhancement, which I'm going to replace this little light here. I got these shadow lights, and they apparently have a little projector that projects the rotary symbol on the floor. So yeah, just give it a go, see how it is. It's pretty straightforward. You just literally unclip this. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There you go. Without breaking, you take the current light bulb off, and here it is. So it literally just clips on as a little projector here. Now the downside is, oh, actually it says this is the right side. Does the other one say left? Because that would make my life a lot easier. It does not. I'm going to assume that this is the left side, the right side. So you literally just now have to plug it in. You just have to plug it in here in the place of the bulb. There you go. And then you just tuck away the wires and you snap everything in place. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna turn my breaker on. And you got the light here, and yeah, look at that. It's gonna be better when it's at night, but I'll take a couple of pictures at night and post them here. Now I just need to do the other door. Okay, it's nighttime, so let's see how this looks. Beautiful. Well, either way, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. So, you know, don't forget, click like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.